Namaste. I'm Raj from EPK Capital. Over the last 20 years, I've had the privilege of sitting across the table from thousands of investors, from young professionals just starting out to seasoned veterans managing family estates, from thousands of investors, from young professionals just starting out to seasoned veterans managing family estates. And no matter who is sitting across from me, I often have to deliver a very hard truth. Most investors are losing 2 to 5% of their annual returns without even realizing it. 2 to 5% of their annual returns without even realizing it. When portfolios underperform, we immediately blame the market. We blame global events, interest rates, or a bad stock tip. But very rarely do we look at the silent leak happening right inside our own demat and trading accounts. Today, we are going to look under the hood. We are going to move past the flashy zero brokerage marketing campaigns and look at the real mathematical cost of investing in India in 2026. Because at EPK Capital, our philosophy is simple. We don't just buy stocks, we build wealth for generations. And let me tell you, you simply cannot build generational wealth if the bucket you are using has holes in it. Let's plug those holes. We all love the word free. It's human nature. Over the last decade, discount brokers have revolutionized the Indian market by offering zero brokerage on delivery trades. But we have to remember, a broker is a business. They are not running a charity. Even when your brokerage is technically zero, you are still getting hit by a major player, the Securities Transaction Tax or STT. The government collects STT automatically every time you transact. And if you've been paying attention to the April 2026 updates, you know the rules have changed. While delivery STT remains at 0.1%, derivatives traders have been handed a massive hike to curb market speculation. If you are trading futures, your STT has surged by 150%, sitting at 0.05% of the contract value. Options traders aren't spared either, with the STT on options premiums jumping 50% to reach 0.15%. Let's put real numbers to this. If you buy and sell a futures contract worth Rs and 10 lakhs, you are paying $500 just in STT. If you sell options with a premium of just Rs 1 lakh, you instantly lose 150. These aren't just tiny percentages on a screen. These are direct, non-refundable hits to your working capital. This is money leaving your account before your trade turns green. Now, you might be thinking, Raj, I don't trade futures and options. I'm a long-term investor. This doesn't apply to me. Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but you aren't immune to the friction costs of the market. Let's talk about exchange charges. Recently, SEBI strictly enforced a true-to-label uniform fee structure for all brokers. In the past, massive discount brokers would get volume-based rebates from the NSE and BSE. Today, that loophole is closed. Everyone pays a flat, uniform rate. Currently, the NSE charges roughly RR35P5 for every lakh of options premium traded, and about RR3 per lakh in the cash market. On top of that, SEBI takes its own turnover fee to fund its regulatory operations. Individually, these sound like fractions of a paisa. But if you are an active investor or a high-frequency trader, turning over Rs 50 lakhs a month, these tiny charges compound rapidly. They act as a constant headwind against your compound annual growth rate. Let's shift to the charge nobody talks about. It's called the DP charge, or Depository Participant Charge. Whenever you buy a share for the long term, it sits in an electronic vault, now managed by depositories like NSDL or CDSL. Every single time you sell a stock from that vault, the depository charges a flat fee. Today, that is usually around Rs 13 to Rs 20, plus taxes. Here is the catch. It does not matter if you sell one share or 10,000 shares. The fee is applied per company per day. Imagine you are a beginner investor. You need to free up Rs $5,000 for an emergency. To get that money, you sell one share each of 10 different companies you own. Even though your total withdrawal is small, you will be hit with 10 separate DP charges. That is easily Rs 150 to Rs 200 wiped out instantly. You just lost 3 to 4% of capital. That is the silent killer of retail portfolios. And of course, we cannot forget our silent partner in every transaction, the government. Everything we just talked about: brokerage, exchange charges, SEBI fees, TP charges, all of it attracts an 18% GST. Yes, you heard that right. You are paying a heavy tax on your fees. Then there is the AMC, the annual maintenance charge. The oldest trick in the book is when brokers offer you a free demat account and waive the AMC for the first year. By year 2, they silently begin debiting a $300 to $1,000 from your linked bank account every year. I see investors opening 4 or 5 accounts, not just because a YouTuber gave them a referral link or they thought they were diversifying. Having 4 accounts doesn't diversify risk. It just means you are paying 4 sets of AMCs. If you have an inactive account with just a few thousand rupees, the AMC alone is pushing your returns into the negative. At EPK Capital, we have a strict rule. An unmonitored account is a liability. So what is the solution? How do we stop the leak? I have 3 actionable steps for you today. First, stop overchurning. Trading for the sake of trading or reacting emotionally to daily news only makes your broker and the taxman rich. Invest with conviction. Second, read your contract note. It is emailed to you at the end of every trading day, and it is the most important document you ignore. Look past the net profit row and look at the taxes and charges breakdown. Understand exactly what you are paying. Third, consolidate. Close those empty, unused demat accounts and consolidate your holdings into 1 or 2 reliable platforms. Wealth isn't just about earnings. Wealth is entirely about how much you keep. You work too hard for your money to let it drain away in hidden friction costs. At EPK Capital, our wealth management strategies are designed to be highly tax efficient and low leakage. We optimize your structure. If you want a professional, unbiased health check on your investment strategy, I invite you to reach out to us at EPK Capital. Let's plug the holes. Let's build something that lasts. I'm Raj, and it's been a pleasure. I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing.